velvet pants. Ooh. Hey guys, what is up? This is Michaela Smith-Campbell, the fashion designer and founder for the fashion design brand MACK Smith, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am super excited because I am going to be taking you guys with me to Savers, and I'm going to be thrifting for specifically certain Valentine's Day looks. So I'm going to be on the hunt for a lot of red, anything sequin, sparkly, lace, ruffles, anything romantic and sexy, or even sheer, I'm on the hunt for. And I'm also looking for pinks too. So I'll be on the hunt for those today, so I'm super excited. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up as well. I just passed by the vest. I don't think I'm gonna get this because I'm not here for vest, but I saw this cool puffer quilted vest, velvet at that. I've never seen it, but this is really cool. This is what, $10.49? I'm not here for vests, but honestly, if it was fall time or even for the spring, I'd probably get this because this is just so cool. I love a good layered thick vest, and this is good quality. It's by Charter Club. Okay, so you guys, this isn't in my size range, but I came across these sequin pants and I honestly love them. I wish they had this in my size, but in a red or pink color. I think this would have been so perfect for what I'm looking for, because I'm looking for sequin and something fun and cool like this. But you guys, don't sleep on the thrift stores because you can find really great stuff here. Yeah, look at these velvet pants. Ooh. Yeah. You guys, this is cute. Honestly, you guys, I love how this is transparent, this top. Like if you look close, it has like a silky satin kind of texture, and there's like these little tulips on it that are black velvet. And look at this, you guys, this is so cute. Like, can you imagine if you wore like a pink or like a red lace bra underneath this, or even a black lace bra? This is so cute, and I love like the puffy sleeves on this blouse. This is how much? $6.29. Yeah, it's not bad. This is cute. Would you guys get this? Let me know below. This is actually really cute. I'm debating if I should get it. I'm gonna just hold this in my cart. Oh my god, you guys, how cool is this? I'm in the long sleeve blouse section, and this is actually an extra large, surprisingly. This doesn't even look like an extra large. But the ruffle, and look at even like the scallop little detail, and even, you guys, look at the pleats. Like, how cool is that in this magenta pink color? I like the sleeves. I think that's what's selling me the most. The elastic like sleeve hemline. It's like a band at the hemline where the wrists are. Like, look at how cute this is. I feel like this is more so like business wear. I wouldn't see myself wearing this in everyday life, but I'm really, I don't know, I might put it in my cart because it's really cool. I've never seen anything like this. Like, just the sleeves alone are pleated, and it matches like the collar and neckline detail. I love it. Okay, and I see something else pink. Let me see if it's cute though. Wild Fable, which is a Target brand. Looks kind of cheap. It looks like you can see the thread coming out. So that's a no, because I don't want to look cheap. I want to look cute. I don't want to look cheap. I don't want threads and stuff, stitches coming out. Alright, let's keep going down the aisle. Oh, isn't this a beautiful royal blue color? Corduroy, of course. Alright, let me keep looking. It's actually nighttime. It's, what time is it? It's like 7:30? 7:30, and the Savers closes at 9 p.m. So things are a little bit picked over. Sometimes it's a hit or miss because at 9, like as they're closing, they fill up a lot of the aisles with more stuff that they save. But sometimes it's a hit or miss, yeah. So sometimes it's really great because they're filling up as people are leaving the store and slowing down the business, and sometimes it's like a crazy day picked over. I wanted to pick this out because honestly, this matches a pair of these satin pants I have that are also like this leopard color. I don't know if I should get this. This would be a complete set if I actually bought it. Oh my god, this would be so freaking cute, this set. Okay, I'll think about it as I add to cart. Look at my cart. Okay guys, so I skipped the jeans section because I'm not here for jeans, and then I briefly skimmed the activewear and the t-shirt section. Didn't find anything over there. And now I'm in the bra and like intimate apparel section, and I found this cute set. Like, how cute is this? I think this is, yeah, that's kind of dirty, but it probably has some wax on it. But like this cute lingerie set. They should be selling it. Is this sold separately? It should be selling it as like a set, but $6.49. I might not get the bottoms. I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh wait, no, the string's coming off. All right, but I just wanted to show you an example because there's actually some really cute stuff here. But yeah, the string's falling off, so I'm not gonna get it. You guys, this is cute. Look at this. Come on. Okay, so we're in the pant and dress suit section, you guys. This color just popped out of the corner of my eye. And look at this dress. It's actually a really pretty dress. Oh no. Okay. Look at. Oh, what a way to kill. What a way to kill it. Okay, so this is a padded bra. I literally got excited because it's padded and I felt boning, but then of course this killed it, so never mind. Is this really a maternity? Alright, this would be a really cute. This is giving me like Barbie vibes. Comment below if this is also giving you Barbie vibes. I think it's the color and also the cute symmetrical polka dots throughout this mini dress. It says maternity, but I don't know, maybe that's why there's a little bit more extra fabric here probably, but super cute nonetheless. Ooh, these stripes. Giving me Victoria's Secret stripes. That's kind of cute. Not my style, but cute. This is really cool. You guys, look what I found. This is, what, $19.99? This was cool. It's transparent. This would be really great with a bikini under it. It's transparent, or you could wear like a pair of tights underneath it. But I still have to think about how to style this, but I really love it. This is so me. This is giving me like mermaid vibes. I think the feathers, these kind of feathers kind of look cheap. They look like arts and craft kind of feathers. Not like the actual like ostrich looking feathers, you know. Oh, this is cute. This is actually really cute, but I think it's a little too small for me. But this would be perfect for a Valentine's Day kind of look with like a fur jacket. Or some kind of like bolero. This is cute. Some pretty heels. This is giving me like mother of the bride at a wedding aesthetic. Mother of the bride. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna review everything in my cart to see if it's worth buying or if it's staying here and not coming. Let me see this. I've never seen this. I feel like somebody probably made this. This is the vibe it's giving. Somebody probably made this for like a project. Just looking at the zipper and the stitching. Does it stretch? Oh, it's actually really stretchy. Like, how cute would this be though? What are we thinking, guys? Yes, no? I think I'm gonna get it. think I'm gonna get it. I could put this like if you're going on a date night and you're doing like a leotard underneath this, like a thong leotard, and then on the back you can see. I think that'd be really cute. A thong leotard underneath this. Purposely see-through. I think it's... I'm gonna get it. This I honestly was going to get only because I have the matching pants of this at home and I wear it around the house a lot. I don't know. I'm gonna think about it. That's my maybe. This I thought about it while I was walking around, and I'm probably not gonna get it only because I have a ton of business wear kind of tops and blouses, but I just never wear them unless it's for my old job when I used to work in an office. But I'm no longer in an office, so I probably won't be wearing this anytime soon. So this is going away. Ooh, and then lastly, I don't know. I see myself with my lace black bra underneath this. I don't know. Comment below if I should get this. I mean, by the time this video comes out. I don't know. Would you guys get this? Let me know. But I'm definitely gonna get this skirt. And these are maybes. Usually if I'm not in love with something, I don't get it. So I'm probably just gonna be walking out with that skirt today. But yeah, okay. Okay guys, so that concludes today's video of my thrift with me for Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.